Alright, we're on Thor's hammer, another Gerstlauer Bobsled. These things are so much fun. And this looks like it has a great layout. So. They are not having a good time over there, that's for sure. But I know we will.
But we will.
Oh, this is awesome.
Well, that's steep.
Oh boy. Whoa! Woohoo! That's so fun, oh my gosh. And now we're gonna go into the Wild Mouse portion.
No trims.
Oh, Wildmeister! Okay. Oh! Oh!
Oh, 9. Oh.
No trims again? Alright.
Oh boy.
Let's go! Woohoo! Oh, it's such
Wow.
Whoa!
Whoa!
I love these so much. Every time.
Here we go. Whee!
Wow,
Yeah, chopper!
Whoa! Woohoo! Oh, this is so good. Oh. No trims again. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Whoa! Woo! Oh, that's really close to the water. Wow. That is so much fun.
That's cool.
God, I love this model so much.
Nice setting too.
Great setting on that. Yeah, that's awesome.